Wait, where's my team?
Is this you? Is this a giant
Red
truck?
team. Oh, sewer right now. Red team
I
sewer
have
now.
Yo,
White
I have
team,
my weapons. I have my
we're
weapons.
going to our base.
Where's my...
Go boys.
Wait, guys, I'm not just all red.
Yes?
Yo, you want one?
Nah, I can buy them.
Oh man.
Okay, go to your bases. The war is
Yeah, that's what I
officially
thought.
started.
Yeah. Look who's
Wait,
dead
hold on,
now.
hold on.
Look who's dead now, little boy.
Hey,
Black boy.
there are also raids of the opponent base.
Guys, where's the red guy?
Hey,
Hey, don't shoot!
Successful raid. You should revive me.
No, you're not on my team.
You know my team!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Hey, we need. Okay, white team.
Who got my
White
stuff?
team.
Hey, who grabbed my stuff?
I didn't grab it. I don't know where it is. White team, let's go, boys. Black, is that your stuff? Okay, Black, you. Listen, you're on the white team, okay? You're on white team. Boys, we're killing those.
Who are you
Red.
attacking?
Not right now. Red, go to your base in sewers. Red, go to sewers.
Hug.
Boys, go to our
Announce
base.
to
Come on,
white.
base. Go to the base. White team, go to office.
No, white. You're on our team. You're on our team.
I was
Anyways,
aiming
announce
for
to
the
the
red
white
people.
team to switch to channel 4.
Okay, everyone on white team.
Who was he?
Everyone on red team,
be
go
quiet,
to channel
be quiet.
4.
Dude, you just announced that to everybody.
No, I'm telling them to go
now
to
they're
channel
spying
4.
on us.
Listen, no, we're going to channel 2. Listen, you. We're going to channel
The dragon.
7, okay? Tell white team, channel 7.
Channel 7.
Channel 7.
Switch to channel 7.
Y'all can hear me?
Yep.
How do I switch to channel 7?
The joystick on your left controller, just click it. Okay, listen, our plan, this is what we're gonna do. I'll run in as the quick ambush. You'll be the heavy artillery behind me. You'll probably kill me, but you'll explode them, okay?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
There we go.
Should we, tell them to designate one medic?
Yo,
Okay, I'll go in. I'll rush in.
Right here so that ammo doesn't blow up.
Okay, I'll rush in. Someone come with me with an RPG. I'll distract them. You blow them all up.
Giant white monkey. I'm running.
Bro, this dude on white needs to lock in. You go to office. Go to office. That's our base. Okay, wait. You're on white. You're on white.
So I'm going to office?
Yes, you're in office with us. Even if you don't change your color, you're still on our team.
Alright, bet.
We've been compromised. Hurry, then we.
oh my god. Oh no.
We're here.
Yo, my aim sucks. Oh, my hand slipped, man.
I'm getting big and healing.
Hey,
You just keep.
you know, I kind of want one of these. I don't know why. Hey, you're gonna have to leave me alone, basically.
Guys, I'm coming out.
No.
Shut up.
Yeah, that's not very nice, you know.
Okay, I killed a red.
Can you revive me?
Get red.
Can you revive me?
My bad. You didn't look red for the lighting to me.
Hey, you like my cheeks? Why is the umbrella in my gut?
Cheeks. See, hey, we're gonna take you.
Okay, get
Hey,
your
you're
things. Get your
kidding me.
things. Get your
not
things.
cool.
Get your things. Go.
Red, he's on mine. He's on white, by the way.
Man, you
Get your
suck.
things.
Alright, what code do we join?
No, wait, get your things first.
We have people doing trading? Hey, what you doing, twin? Oh. Yo, he got me, guys. Got me pretty good, actually.
This
Listen, this gotta be more organized. Red team, actually go to y'all's base.
Give me my stuff.
Man, what's up, White? What's up, Sombrero? Come on.
Come on.
Now, why are you wearing sombrero?
Find the
You
code.
scared?
I killed a white teamer. I mean a red teamer.
What's up? What's up? What's up?
I want to watch.
You know this is a war, right? So like, hey, no killing in safe zone. Guys, can we get one thing? No killing while in safe zone. Yo, stop trying to clap my Jeep.
What did you do to him?
Dude, that's illegal.
What the frick?
Man, you're illegal. I don't like you.
No, I'm not. What do you mean? Hey, don't you kill my boys. Don't you kill the child, bro.
Send him home.
I'll save you, my fellow teammate. I just put 12 rounds through this dude.
Yeah. America.
Hey, yo, what the heck? Broccoli's overpowered.
Why are you so giant?
Yeah.
Hey, listen, red team. Listen, red team. Broccoli is banned.
No.
Okay.
Broccoli.
Dude, it makes y'all it makes everyone too OP. You literally can't die. That's not the point of a war.
But what you didn't know was I was in your base. I'm in the base.
Oh, I thought
Check
you
the
were.
base, check the base.
I'm scared. White team won.
Get him. Dude, that was a massacre. GG's. GG's.
I literally have a rocket launcher with no ammo and it stayed over here in the corners. Absolutely blew me up.
How did we all die? Bro, this was so good. This is so good. Okay, yeah, but hey, White, you, buddy, listen. You. No more broccoli, okay? I'm sorry. That's a rule we've established. We've all come the other way.
Why does red team keep using broccoli?
I keep getting my cheeks clapped by RPGs.
Bet that.
Oh, it's you again. Bro, it's you again, bro. It's you again.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good.
Wait, let me check.
Yo, my aim is terrible. It's okay, little buddy.
I'm gonna shoot myself.
Don't do it.
Black, accept my friend request. Accept my
Hey,
friend.
what'd we say?
Wait, can you grab?
What did I say about broccoli, Berta?
I accepted.
Come on, we gotta go back.
Love you, Red.
Come here. Now, where'd he go?
Ha, juked.
Stop using broccoli!
Dude, we said no broccoli. Oh, grenade. I wanted one of these, actually. Hey, listen, buddy. You're gonna have to stop using broccoli.
Hey! White people!
I just blew myself up. How did I do that?
I don't like
You're not allowed to use broccoli.
Same, bro. But I love black people.
You're not allowed to
Good
use
for
white
you, buddy.
broccoli.
Go!
Go, guys!
Go, go,
Go!
No way, that's actual
Revive
betrayal.
me. That's the bloody betrayer. Kill him.
Yo,
Yeah,
no,
fuck
I'll
off.
revive you for
Yeah,
that.
fuck you.
No, 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 no!
Right now.
No, we gotta revive him. We gotta revive
Me,
him.
that's betrayal,
Just don't
bro.
kill me, don't kill me,
That
don't
is
kill me.
betrayal.
No, that was evil.
Fine.
His teammate killed him.
Let's go! Hey, I'm with you guys.
You bad boy.
Yeah, you can't betray people. You're done.
You.
Ah, come here.
Hey, bad.
with my best friend. What's that?
Fight. Well, fight. Come here. No, come here. Come here. Oh, freaky has a gun.
Oh, freaking his gun. Come here.
Why is my hand not working?
But I have a bomb.
Oh, I have bombs too, buddy.
Okay, there goes my hand.
I need 2 big booms. Boom, boom.
And your dreams come true. And I wonder. No. I hit you.
Hurry.
Man, I think we're winning.
Ain't no
I
way.
thought you were on our team.
I'm ready.
Hurry.
What the
Yeah,
heck
no,
are
dude.
you doing?
Red is winning.
Hurry. Hurry and run.
You guys, we're getting cooked.
How did he not die? He's received like a lot of bullets. No! No! Bad boy!
You're lucky. I'll let you go.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna take my free leave. Unharmed.
Oh, I have an idea. Oh, I have an
Why are
idea.
you-
I have an idea. I have an idea. I have an idea. Suicide bomb.
White person in the elevator.
Tisk. Oh shoot! I like that. Ah! Don't no! Red no! Red no!
Oh my god.
I've been looking for you.
Gosh. I noticed.
Me with you.
You did it!
It's me. Look who's back.
Bro, go to your base, bro.
Let's see what's going on with our base.
Go to your base.
Yo.
Okay.
No, I have
I
an
think it's
idea.
Gavin Wood.
Got it. No. No. Red, no.
White person! Yeah, I don't like white people.
Flashbangs in there. Right.
Alright, no guys, I'm a suicide bomber, okay?
Hi! No, please, I'm sorry. Please.
Please, I'm sorry.
I want to be naughty. Oh well.
You know what?
Guys, if
this.
y'all want to continue this series,
Going on suicide.
thank you for watching. Goodbye.